Hi, this is Arunachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Central Bank of India. One of our subscriber asked us to analyze this stock, and I have found a swing trade opportunity also. So I am analyzing this stock now. So this stock is very good at technicals, and the technicals shows a clear bullishness at current market price. So the stock may give a good return for swing traders. So let's analyze the stock on monthly basis first. The stock is very good at current market price, but it's a downtrend stock. Look at the trend. So this is basically a downtrend stock, but currently has an opportunity to give returns. So the stock is currently forming a higher high formation, but in a long term it forms a lower price. So look at the price action here. The stock actually shown a good indications of downfall, because look at the free fall here. The free fall here shows a great weakness of bulls, and the bulls are not at all interested in this stock at this point of time, but now the bulls are ready to buy, and the stock also gave a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and breakout is yet to happen. So let's analyze the stock on weekly basis. So let me draw the major confluence area that govern the stock. So this can be taken as the major confluence area. This is around the price range of 70 to 50. The 64 can be major confluence area. So this can be taken as the long term target for the stock. The stock has good momentum on upside at current market conditions. So if the bank nifty starts performing, the stock may also follow bank nifty. So the stock is currently shows a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So let me draw it. So this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and the bullishness in the stock is very good. The bulls are ready to move the price higher, but one should wait for the breakout. The breakout is around the price range of 28. 28 can be taken as the entry for the stock, because look at the support acted here. So this support will act as a resistance at current market condition. So one should take entry above the price range of 28, and one can take a long term target of 64, which is a ideal target for the stock. But in the short term one can take a target of 32 to 34 level. So 34 level can be taken as the target for the stock. So the 34 level is around 25% upside from the price of entry. So one should be cautious before taking trades, because the stock is in a downtrend, and one should have a patience to get the desired target. So one can take entry above the price range of 28, and one can expect a price range of 34 to 35 as the target, which is almost a 25% upside from the price of entry. And the stock will perform once the bank nifty start performing. The bank nifty is likely to outperform within next week, so one can focus on banking stocks for short term returns, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and ask us any doubts or stock analysis request through it. And finally, thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.